Good day everyone, today I will show you this single attached unit na 20 minutes away lang from Tagaytay. So this is a Linea single attached. Right at the side, meron kang 2 vehicle carport na pwede mong gawing house extension in the future. Yes po, pwede ka dito magpa-extend ng iyong bahay. Dito naman sa may bandang likod, you still have provision for your auxiliary kitchen, service, and laundry area. Napakaganda dito kasi napakalamig. At the same time, accessible siya both in Metro Manila and other areas of Cavite. So pagpasok mo sa loob, this is a bare finish upon turnover. Ibig sabihin, you have more freedom kung ano yung interior layout na gusto mo para sa